Daily News Brief.
Vietnam's exports surge toward a new record as key sectors accelerate. Silver shortage sparks record price surge. Fuels breakout in precious metals. Vietnam hosts job fair for returning workers from Korea and Japan. Vietnam's exports surge toward a new record as key sectors accelerate. Vietnam's exports are rapidly approaching a new all-time high as major industries accelerate strongly in the final months of the year. By November 15, total trade surpassed $801 billion, the highest in history, with exports reaching $410.28 billion. Lobster exports surged 135% to $712 million, driven mainly by green lobster, which accounts for 98% of value. Durian exports also exceeded last year's record of $3.2 billion, rising 12.3% year-on-year. High global prices pushed coffee export revenue to $7.64 billion, far exceeding the 2024 record. Cashew and pepper exports likewise set new peaks. The standout performer is electronics, with total export value nearing $143 billion, tea up $32 billion year-on-year, solidifying its role as the primary engine behind Vietnam's export momentum toward a historic record. Silver shortage sparks record price surge. Fuels breakout in precious metals. Silver prices surged to a fresh record as severe supply shortages in London and Shanghai tightened the physical market, while expectations of a December Fed rate cut further fueled momentum. Strong investment demand amplified volatility, sending New York silver futures up nearly 6% on Friday and 12% for the week, the strongest weekly gain since 2020. Silver's rally outpaced gold, pushing the gold-silver ratio to its lowest level since May 2024. This breakout injected renewed energy into the precious metals market, with gold climbing above $4,200 Aussie, and analysts forecasting more upside thanks to robust investor demand and expectations of lower Fed rates. Some experts believe the long-term outlook remains bullish, with potential for gold to approach $5,000 OZ. As the new trading week begins, gold continues to inch higher in Asian markets, supported by heightened uncertainty and growing bets on Fed policy easing. Vietnam hosts job fair for returning workers from Korea and Japan. Hanoi's Department of Labor, Invalids and Social Affairs, in coordination with the Center of Overseas Labor, has organized a dedicated job fair for workers returning from South Korea under the EPS program and technical interns returning from Japan under IM Japan. The event gathered 54 enterprises with a total recruitment demand of 1,880 positions, including 22 Korean and Japanese FDI firms seeking technicians, machine operators, CNC staff, interpreters, and electronics workers with competitive income offers. Around 33% of participating businesses operate in manufacturing, while the rest cover commerce, services, construction, and transport. Recruitment needs are balanced across education levels, from university and college graduates to technical workers and general labor. Most job offers fall within the VND 10-15 million monthly salary range, suitable for office staff, hospitality positions, accountants, technical roles, and skilled labor. From December 1-2, General Secretary of the Communist Party of Vietnam to Lam, accompanied by his spouse and a high-ranking Vietnamese delegation, will pay a state visit to Laos at the invitation of General Secretary and President of the Lao PDR, Thong Lang Sisolith, and his spouse. The visit takes place at a highly significant moment, as Laos celebrates the 50th anniversary of its National Day, and both parties prepare for their national congresses in 2026. Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs Nguyen Man Quon emphasized that this is one of Vietnam's most important diplomatic activities in 2025 and marks General Secretary to Lam's first state visit to Laos in his new position. A central highlight of the visit is the high-level meeting between the Communist Party of Vietnam and the Lao People's Revolutionary Party, the most important cooperation mechanism between the two parties and two states. Leaders will exchange updates on national developments, assess bilateral cooperation results, and outline long-term strategic directions to strengthen ties for the benefit of both peoples and for peace and stability in the region. During the visit, General Secretary Tu Lam will also meet senior Lao leaders and attend the ceremony commemorating the 50th anniversary of the Lao National Day, one of the country's most significant events this year. Deputy Minister Kwong affirmed that the meaningful activities within the visit will further reinforce the great friendship, special solidarity, and comprehensive cooperation between Vietnam and Laos, a priceless legacy and the core foundation of bilateral relations, as President Ho Chi Minh once highlighted. With deep political trust and abundant room for cooperation, the visit is expected to create a strong new momentum for the prosperity of both nations and contribute positively to regional and global peace and development.